What if you could have a well-paying job at a competitive wage with only a high school diploma? Forget about student loans and start making money now. If you have the drive to learn a trade, there is opportunity for growth and promotion. This is your chance to start your career tomorrow instead of 4 years from now. Designs need to be conceived and drafted. Materials need to be processed and transformed. Products need to be formed and assembled. You may not know it, but manufacturing touches almost every part of your life. Most importantly, manufacturing is an opportunity. A career in the industry offers a competitive salary today, with exponential growth opportunities. Working in manufacturing is stable, interesting work, with training opportunities to further your career. Starting wages are generally higher than most jobs available for applicants that have only a high school diploma. And manufacturing jobs in Idaho have an average 40% higher compensation than other industries. Many employers offer benefits such as vacation, health insurance, and a 401k. All the grown-up necessities without the trouble of finding them yourself. There are many different jobs for tradespeople in manufacturing. Some examples include welders, computerized tool operators, machinists, and mechanics. These require extra education that you can start now with on-the-job training, short-term technical training, or longer-term apprenticeships. Whether you like working with your hands, a computer, or leading others, there are so many opportunities in manufacturing. Welders, cutters, solderers, and brazers use handheld or remotely controlled equipment to join or cut metal parts. Computer-controlled machine tool operators set up and operate computerized machines and equipment essential to the manufacturing process. Machinists use a variety of tools to shape and smooth pieces of metal to specific standards. Industrial maintenance mechanics repair, maintain, and adjust the machines and equipment that manufacturing plants use. From these roles on the production floor to a full range of support positions in the office, the manufacturing industry offers something for everyone. Manufacturing produces goods we've used for centuries, and the cutting-edge products leading into the future. It is continually evolving and improving its processes and technologies. The unskilled, labor-intensive job that many people think of, in most cases, has changed into a high-tech, skilled craft. Machines are automating the mundane, routine tasks of manufacturing. Computers are generating specialized plans. Manufacturing is creating a workforce with traditional, hands-on skills with the technical skills to match. The industry has become cutting edge and is looking for you to take the next step to be a part of manufacturing's future. If you're looking for a career with promotion opportunities, the manufacturing industry is known for promoting from within. For the motivated worker with the drive to learn and excel, there is no limit on what you can achieve within the industry. With tools, with a computer, with your own hands, you can shape your future with a career in manufacturing. This message has been brought to you by Forging Futures Idaho, an Idaho Manufacturing Alliance initiative.